Alright, so this video we're going to look at finding a polynomial function. We've got a degree 3. We've got zeros at -2, 1, and 3, and the leading coefficient is 2. Alright, so I'll have 4 examples of these. This is the third one. They're all a little bit different, so you might want to check them out. So if you recall solving a quadratic equation, alright, so, and if you've watched the other videos, you can skip this because I'm doing the same thing here in all the videos. But you factor it, set each factor equal to 0. So we get x equal -3 or x equal -2. So we get -3 and -2 as our solutions. Well, you can see this right here. That's like what we're starting with. So all we're doing is working backwards to this. Okay. We're just going to go back through these steps here. Okay. Alright. Except instead of a quadratic, we've got a third degree polynomial. Alright, so this tells me that x equals -2 or x equal 1 or x equal 3. Add 2 to both sides, x plus 2 equals 0. Subtract 1 to both sides, x minus 1 equals 0. Subtract 3 to both sides, x minus 3 equals 0. And then we can multiply these together, okay, and set them equal to 0. And so here's our polynomial. P of x equals x plus 2 times x minus 1 times x minus 3. Alright, so it tells us that the leading coefficient is 2. If you've watched the other videos, you've noticed I put an A here. Okay, well, it's telling me what A is. A is 2. Okay, that's my, well, in this case it is because all of these are 1x. Okay, but you can see that if we multiply this out, okay, let's multiply that out so we can get our polynomial. So let's fold this. So x times x is x squared, and then I've got -x plus 2x is plus x, and 2 times -1 is -2, and then that's times x minus 3. And then I'll multiply this. So I'm going to multiply the x times each term and the -3 times each term. So I get P of x is equal to, so let's distribute the x to each one. So that's x cubed plus x squared minus 2x. Now let's distribute the -3 to each term. So that's minus 3x squared minus 3x plus 6. And so P of x is equal to, and that's going to be x cubed plus x, nope, let me combine those. So x squared minus 3x squared, that's going to be minus 2x squared. Let me cross these out so I can see which ones I've done. And then that's going to be minus 5x plus 6. Okay, so the thing here, notice that it says the leading coefficient is 2. So you see here this P of x, it says our leading coefficient is 2. So we would need a 2 there for our leading coefficient. So it would be 2 times all of this. So for this one, can you see that would be this times 2? Because look, you see this part right here is this. And what I've done is I've multiplied all of this together. See, I multiplied these and then this, and that gives me this, and it's 2 times that, so 2 times this. And so my polynomial is p of x, and I can distribute the 2x cubed minus 4x squared minus 10x plus 12. There's my polynomial multiplied out, or if you wanted to, I guess you could leave it like this, or whatever your teacher wants you to do. Alright, so I hope this video helped. Give me a like, subscribe, share. Thanks for watching.